Pinakbet or pakbet. It originated from the northern part of the Philippines in the Ilocos region, but nationwide it is well known. And of course, I asked our maid to cook this so that this way, you and I can learn how to cook it. So hey, let's go, let's go. Here we got some squash, some string beans, of course, bitter melon and eggplant, a few eggs and onion, of course, shrimp paste. Recipe will be in the description below. So now let's start. Let's oil up the pan. Alright. Not too much, so we gotta stay healthy. Okay, once it's heated up, we get drop in the onions. The chopped onions, that is. Yes, we mix it. And of course, now we can put the crushed garlic, about 2 cloves, crushed, of course. Oh, I love the smell of this, of garlic and onions being sauteed. Okay, that looks good. I'll drop in the tomatoes. It's just half a small tomato or diced small tomato. That's cooking good. Yep, we let it stay. We let it simmer so that it cooks really good now. Of course, we drop in the wingtips. We save this. You can actually put even like pork or fish, but we decided to just use the wingtips I set aside. Now we let it cook. Let it simmer good. All right. Now it's starting to smell. Oh, wish you could smell this with me, guys. Yes, our maid is cooking it, so we're just filming it so that we can all learn. Now about a spoon of shrimp paste. This is the key to pinakbet. You can use fish paste, but here we use a spoon of shrimp paste. And this also avoids us from adding too much salt because this is already shrimp paste is already a bit salty, so you gotta be careful with that. Oh, the smell is really good. Now we cover it so the wingtips can cook. Now it's all so good. Yep. Now get like half a glass of water just to make sure everything gets cooked well, and of course the wingtips. Yeah, now it's looking good. All right. Next up, the squash. We gotta put this first because so that it can soften up. Once it's soft, it's really good. So this cooks in first. And again, have a cup of water just to help everything cook good. Oh yes. Now we cover it again. Next up, and now it's boiling. You can see we gotta check if the squash is getting cooked or getting soft, but not yet. A little bit more. Has to, yeah, it's still hard. All right. Now it's probably gotta be softer. Now let's see if it's a bit soft. Oh, it's getting there, getting near. All right. And now we're actually frying fish. This is the perfect partner. Fried fish and pinakbet. Now we put in the eggplants. You shouldn't put this too early because it's gonna get too soft and it's gonna you break apart. It's not gonna look good and it's gonna make it gooey. Okay, another half a cup of water once again. We keep adding. Our maid said keep adding as you see fit. That's boiling good. It's cooking. Yes. Now we put the okra, which is lady fingers. Alright. We let it sit there so it can cook well. Cover it up. Now it's ready. A few minutes later, let's see if the squash is getting cooked in the okra. Now it's a little bit more. Now we put the string beans. And of course we cover it, let it cook and simmer a bit. Here now, by a bit of salt and pepper. Now it's getting cooked little by little, so this is starting to look really good. It smells really good. Check the string beans; it's good. Almost there. Yep. Now I put the bitter melon. Oh, this one is not cut yet. Made me laughing. She forgot. There you go. See, if you put the bitter melon a little too early, it's gonna make everything else bitter. Oh, it's perfect. This looks really, really good. Pinakbet and the fish. Oh, now I'm hungry. Okay, now here it is, all served up on the table. Oh yeah, this is delicious. And of course, you can subscribe and also click this video if you like this one. So you know you can join our community. So hey, thank you.